Imagine a world where a simple scan can provide a wealth of information. Welcome to the world of QR codes, the unsung heroes of the digital age. Believe it or not, these black and white squares were first designed in 1994 to track vehicles during manufacturing. A Japanese automotive industry's brainchild, QR codes were born out of a need for efficiency and accuracy. They provided a revolutionary way to keep tabs on each vehicle as it journeyed through the assembly line. By simply scanning the code, workers could identify each vehicle and its specific details in seconds. But the brilliance of QR codes didn't stop at the car factory. Their potential was quickly recognized, and they've since infiltrated every corner of our digital lives, from online shopping to restaurant menus. QR codes, a simple design with a complex purpose, revolutionizing the way we interact with our world. And that, my friend, is the history of the humble QR code in a nutshell. Tuned in for more interesting facts.